Welcome to Labh Group.
This is Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Charitable Hospital, Model Town, Ludhiana. And we have just installed a plant 500 liters per minute from Labh Group of companies from Gujarat in this area.
I am Colonel Randhir Singh, Chief Administrator, Guru Tegh Bahadur Sahib Charitable Hospital, Ludhiana. This hospital is located in Model Town area. The plant behind me you see is manufactured by Labh Group of companies. This plant is of 500 LPM. It gives us oxygen with a purity of 93% plus minus 3%. And it is a 500 liters per minute capacity of this plant is. This plant was allotted to us. This plant was allotted to us by Act Grants and with a kind courtesy of Deputy Commissioner Ludhiana, Shri Virender Sharma, and our President, Sardar Amardeep Singh Bakshi. This plant was installed by Labh Group of companies within a record time of 2 days, and we have been running this plant off and on with no major problem. I wish Labh Group of companies all the best for installing this plant, and I hope this plant will give a lot of comfort to the patients, and we'll have no problem in supplying the medical oxygen to our patients. Thank you.